Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to allow people to make a duet or stitch any of your TikTok videos. So if you have posted a whole lot of videos on your TikTok account and you want to allow people to make a duet of those videos which you have made or stitch any of them, just head over to the top right corner of the page and click on that, and then head over to privacy. Once you have the privacy tab open, just scroll to the bottom of the page until you find duet and stitch. So you want to select both of them. So first of all, you can select the duet option and then make sure this is selected to everyone and select this, and then head back and then head over to stitch and also select stitch, and then make sure this is also selected to everyone. So with this now, it allows other people to make duets of your videos or stitch any of your videos. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a like. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day.